वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Excellent. Now let's start the class with the recital of the 12 slokas from yesterday. I don't think I have any volunteers. If any one of you wants to come up front now, this is the opportunity.
I can do.
Tulsi ji, 1 minute. Let me go ahead, Tulsi ji.
रथाङ्गपाणि रक्षोभ्य इति नेत्रं त्रिसामसामगसामेति कवचम् आनन्दं परब्रह्मेति योनिः ऋतुसुदर्शनकाल इति दिग्बन्धः श्रीविश्वरूप इति ध्यानम् श्रीमहाविष्णुप्रीत्यर्थे सहस्रनाम जपे विनियोगः ध्यानम् क्षीरोदन्वत्प्रदेशसुसिमनिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानां माला क्लुप्तस्तनस्तस्फटिकमणिनिभैर्मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैदरभ्रै उपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षै आनन्दीना पुनीयतरिनलिनगदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्द भूपादौ यस्य भूपादौ यस्य दशुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावासी शिरोरौद्रमुखमपि दहनो यस्य वासेयमब्धिः अन्तस्तं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैत्य चित्रं रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनपुष वपुसं विष्णुमीशं नमामि ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् मेघश्यामं पीतकौसेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्कं कौस्तुभोद्भससिताङ्गं पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथम् नमः समस्तभूतानाम् आदिभूताय भूभृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजम् छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनम्भुं दस्यमयाय तक्षमालाकृतम्. I know I have some difficulties, but
You did great, Tulsi ji. Again, like I said, this is the tough set of slokas for everybody. It'll take 2 or 3 more practice sessions more than other slokas, but given that we started it yesterday and you did great, as you mentioned, there is a little bit of practice needed, and you will get there. No worries. Thank you for volunteering. Really appreciate it. Great job. So now let's get started with the current session. So we're not going to do that. We have a volunteer to repeat after me. Jasmita, are you online?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, unmute yourself, and we're going to do the same pattern, 1 to 2 words, and please repeat after me. Chandrananam.
Chandrananam.
Chaturbahum.
Chaturbahum.
Srivatsankitavakshasam.
Srivatsankitavakshasam.
Rukmini.
Rukmini.
Satyabhamabhyam.
Satyabhamabhyam.
Sahitam.
Sahitam.
Krishnamasraye.
Krishnamasraye.
So this time pay attention to the stress letters, the bha, satyabhamabhyam. Okay, again, Chandrananam.
Chandrananam.
Chaturbahum.
Chaturbahum.
Srivatsankitavakshasam.
Srivatsankitavakshasam.
Rukmini.
Rukmini.
Satyabhamabhyam.
Satyabhamabhyam.
Sahitam.
Sahitam.
Krishnamasraye.
Krishnamasraye.
Now the full sentences. Chandrananam chaturbahum Srivatsankitavakshasam.
Chandrananam chaturbahum Srivatsankitavakshasam Sahshasaham.
No, you got it right first time.
Oh.
Srivatsankitavakshasam.
Srivatsankitavakshasam.
Rukmini satyabhamabhyam sahitam Krishnamasraye.
Rukmini satyabhamabhyam sahitam Krishnamasraye.
Excellent. Moving on to the next one. Harihi Om.
Harihi Om.
So Vishnu Sahasranama means the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu. Up until now, what we practiced is the preliminary slokas about Vedavyasa, and the conversation between Yudhishthira, Bhishma, and the introduction to Vishnu Sahasranama, what it will do and who Lord Vishnu is. Now where we are starting, that is the first name that is starting, Vishwam. Vishwam means the entire universe. So the starting of the official 1,000 names is from this sloka. So we are officially entering into the Vishnu Sahasranamam Stotram. Vishwam.
Vishwam.
Vishnurvashatkaro.
Vishnurvasaktaro.
Vishnurvashatkaro.
Vishnurvasatkaro.
Bhuta.
Bhuta.
Bhavya.
Bhavya.
Bhavat Prabhuhu.
Bhavat Prabhuhu.
Bhuta.
Bhuta.
Kridbhuta.
Krudbhuta.
Bhrudbhavo.
Bhrudbhavo.
Bhutatma.
Bhutatma.
Bhutabhavanah.
Bhutabhavanaha.
So there is a lot of usage of second bha in this stotram. So first few times it will be a little tricky and may seem complicated, but it is not. You will get used to it and it will become very seamless as you practice more. Harihi Om.
Harihi Om.
Visvam.
Viswam.
This one I'm going to separate it again. So Vishnur.
Vishnur.
Vashatkaro.
Vasatkaro.
So let's try this, okay? Vashatkaro.
Vashatkaro.
Now combine it. Vashatkaro.
Vashatkaro.
Bhuta.
Bhuta.
Bhavya.
Bhavya.
Bhavat Prabhuhu.
Bhavat Prabhuhu.
Bhuta.
Bhuta.
Kridbhuta.
Krudbhuta.
Bhrudbhavo.
Bhrudbhavo.
Bhutatma.
Bhutatma.
Bhutabhavanaha.
Bhutabhavanaha.
Now the full sentences again. There is a lot of the second bha usage here. So if it is getting a little complicated, don't worry. Go slow, break where you have to, and then keep practicing that. Harihi Om.
Harihi Om.
Visvam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhuhu.
Vishwam Vishnur Vasatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhuhu.
Bhuta Krudbhuta Bhrudbhavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha.
Bhuta Krudbhuta Bhrudbhavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha.
We're going to do this one more time just because of the complication. Full sentences, okay? Harihi Om.
Harihi Om.
Visvam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhuhu.
Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhuhu.
Bhuta Krudbhuta Bhrudbhavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha.
Bhuta Krudbhuta Bhrudbhavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha.
Excellent. So moving on to the next one. And so this one is mellows down a little bit, so not everything will be that complicated. So there will be a little bit of up and down, so we won't get too many of those heavy vattus and big letters. Don't worry. Putatma.
Putatma.
Paramatma cha.
Paramatma cha.
Muktanam.
Muktanam.
Paramagatihi.
Paramagatihi.
Avyayah.
Avyayah.
Purusha.
Purusha.
Sakshi.
Sakshi.
So when we combine Purusha, Visarga and Sakshi, there will become a double sa there. Double sa. Purusha Sakshi.
Purusha Sakshi.
Kshetragnokshara.
Kshetragnokshara.
Evacha.
Evacha.
One more time. Putatma Paramatma cha.
Putatma Paramatma cha.
Muktanam Paramagatihi.
Muktanam Paramagatihi.
Avyayah.
Avyayah.
Purusha Sakshi.
Purusha Sakshi.
Kshetragnokshara क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च
क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षरः एव च.
Now the full sentences. In the avyaya purusha sakshi, remember the visarga, as you are saying the half visarga, close the lips, then it will give the sound avyaya purusha sakshi. So full sentences now. Bhutatma paramatma cha muktanam paramagatihi.
भूतात्मा परमात्मा च मुक्तानां परमागतिः.
अव्ययः पुरुषः साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च.
अव्ययः पुरुषः साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च.
Excellent. Moving on to the next one. Yogo
योगो
yogavidam
योगविदां
neta
नेता
pradhana
प्रधान
पुरुषेश्वरः
पुरुषेश्वरः
नारसिंहवपुः
नारसिंहवपुः
श्रीमान्
श्रीमान्
केशवः
केशवः
पुरुषोत्तमः.
पुरुषोत्तमः.
One more time. This time I'm going to combine Narasimhavapuh and Shriman, so that will become a double sa there. Yogo yoga vidam neta
योगो योगविदां नेता
pradhana purusheswarah
प्रधान पुरुषेश्वरः
Narasimhavapuh Shriman
नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान्
Keshavah Purushottamah.
केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः.
Now the full sentences. Yogo yogavidam neta pradhana purusheswarah.
योगो योगविदां नेता प्रधान पुरुषेश्वरः
Narasimhavapuh Shriman Keshavah Purushottamah.
नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः.
Next one. So the first three, the visarga is followed by the sha. That means it becomes double sha, so and double sha, all three of them. I'm going to break with the double sha, but when we combine we will do it in the next one. Sarva
सर्वः
Sarva
सर्वः
Shiva
शिवः
Sthanuh.
स्थाणुः.
That's not what is written there, but I just broke the word so that it's easy, and then in the next one we'll combine it. Bhutadirnidhiravyayah.
भूताद्निर्दिरव्ययः.
Bhuta
भूता
dirnidhi
दिर्निधि
ravyayah.
रव्ययः.
Bhutadirnidhiravyayah.
भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः.
Excellent. So the breaks that I am giving, just for the ease of things, there is no official breaks there. That will be in the middle of the word. So when we are chanting, we don't normally break there in the middle of the word or the middle of the name. Sambhavo
संभवो
Bhavano
भावनो
Bharta
भर्ता
प्रभवः
प्रभवः
प्रभुरीश्वरः
प्रभुरीश्वरः
okay I'll combine two sarvah sarvah
सर्वः सर्वः
शिवस्थाणुर्
शिवस्थानुर्
भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः
भूतादिर्निधिर्व्ययसा
भूतादिर्निधि
भूतादिर्निधि
रव्ययः
रव्ययः
सम्भवो
सम्भवो
भावनो
भावनो
भर्ता
भर्ता
प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः
प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः
Let's go slow, full sentence. It's okay if you want to break in the middle because this is a practice session. Sarva sarva shivasthanur bhutadirnidhi ravyayah.
सर्व सर्व शिवस्थानुर् भूतादिर्निरव्ययः
भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः
भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः
सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः
सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभवः प्रभुरीश्वरः.
So this is again one of the complex ones. Don't worry if the full sentence is getting a little complicated. As you practice it 2-3 times, you are going to get it just like the previous ones. Again, these are not like the ones that we see in every sloka. 1 in 5, 1 in 6, we get one of them, and then we just need a little bit more practice. And Jasmita, you're doing great. Take a deep breath, and then we're going to get started again. You're doing great. Don't worry about anything. Let's move on to the next one. Swayambhu
Swayambhu
Shambhuraditya
Samburaditya
Pushkaraksho
Pushkaraksho
Mahasvanaha
Mahasvanaha
Anadinidhano
Anadinidano
Dhata
Data
Vidhata
Vidhata
Dhaturuttamah.
Dhaturuttamah.
One more time. Swayambhu
Swayambhu
Shambhuradityah
Samburadityah
Pushkaraksho Mahasvanaha
Pushkaraksho Mahasvanaha
Anadinidhano Dhata
Anadinidano Data
Vidhata Dhaturuttamah.
Vidhata Dhaturuttamah.
The full sentences now. Swayambhu Shambhuradityah Pushkaraksho Mahasvanaha
Swayambhu Samburaditya Pushkaraksho Mahasvanaha
Anadinidhano Dhata Vidhata Dhaturuttamah.
Anadinidano Data Vidhata Dhaturuttamah. tamah.
Excellent. Let's move to the next one. Aprameyo
Aprameyo
Hrishikeshah
ऋषिकेशः
Padmanabho Maraprabhuः
पद्मनाभो मरः प्रभुः
Vishwakarma
विश्वकर्मा
Manustvashta
मनुष्टस्व
Manustvashta
मनुष्टस्ता
Thavishtha
ष्टविष्टः
Thaviro
स्थविरो
Dhruvah.
ध्रुवः
One more time. Aprameyo Hrishikeshah
अप्रमेवो ऋषिकेशः
Padmanabho Maraprabhuः
पद्मभामो
Nabho
पद्मनाभो मरः प्रभुः
Vishwakarma Manustvashta Vishwakarma Manustvashta Sthavishthasthaviro Dhruvah
विश्वकर्मा मनुष्टस्त्वा स्तवविष्टः स्थाविरो ध्रुवः.
Again, the second half of the second line, it's a little complicated. Sthavishthasthaviro Dhruvah. Nothing, little practice won't you'll get it as you do a little bit more practice. So again, don't worry about it. One or two times, make note of which ones are a little tougher than the others. So you can say it multiple times. As you say it multiple times, your mouth will also get used to it, and the words will be registered in your brain also. So it's very easy to process. So moving to the next one. Agrahya
अग्राह्य
Shashvatah
शाश्वतः
Krishno
कृष्णो
Lohitaksha
लोहिताक्षः
Pratardanah
Sorry, my computer is not working.
You want to try again, or you want to go into mute? That's absolutely fine, Jasmita.
Yeah, I can try again.
Okay. Lohitaksha
लोहिताक्षः
Pratardanah
प्रतर्दनः
Prabhutastrika. I think Jasmita is having some technical problems. No worries. If anybody, okay, you okay. Prabhutastrika
प्रभूतस्त्रिक
Kubdhama
कुब्धाम
Pavitram
पवित्रं
Mangalam
मङ्गलं
Param.
परम्.
Again. Agrahya Sasvatah
अग्राह्य शाश्वतः
Krishno
कृष्णो
Lohitakshah Pratardanah
लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्दनः
Prabhutastrika Kubdhama
प्रभूतश्रिक कुब्धाम
Pavitram Mangalam Param.
पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्.
Now the full sentences. Agrahya Shasvatah Krishno लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्दनः
अग्रायः सस्वतः कृष्णो लोहिताक्षः प्रतार्दनः
प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्
प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्
Excellent. Next one. ईशानः
ईशानः
प्राणदः
प्राणदः
प्राणो
प्राणो
ज्येष्ठः
ज्येष्ठः
श्रेष्ठः
श्रेष्ठः
प्रजापतिः
प्रजापतिः
हिरण्यगर्भो
हिरण्यगर्भो
भूगर्भो
भूगर्भो
माधवो
माधवो
मधुसूदनः
मधुसूदनः
one more time ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो
ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो
ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः
ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः
हिरण्यगर्भो
हिरण्यगर्भो
भूगर्भो
भूगर्भो
माधवो
माधवो
मधुसूदनः
मधुसूदनः
Okay, the full sentence now ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः
ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः श्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः
हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः
हिरण्यः गर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः
Excellent. Moving to the next one ईश्वरो
ईश्वरो
विक्रमी धन्वी
विक्रमी धन्वी
मेधावी
मेधावी
विक्रमः क्रमः
विक्रमः क्रमः
अनुत्तमो
अनुत्तमो
दुराधर्ष्यः
दुरादर्शः
कृतज्ञः
कृतज्ञः
कृतिरात्मवान्
कृतिरात्मवान्
One more time ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी
ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी
मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः
मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः
अनुत्तमो दुराधर्ष्यः
अनुत्तमो दुरादर्शः
कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान्
कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान्
The full sentence is now ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमः क्रमः
ईश्वर्यो विक्रमे धान्वी मेधवे विक्रमः क्रमः
अनुत्तमो दुराधर्ष्यः कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान्
अनुत्तमो दुरादर्शः कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान्
Okay, moving to the next one. Suresha.
Suresha.
Sharanam Sarma.
Saranam Sarma.
Vishwareta.
Vishwareta.
Prajabhavah.
Prajabhavaha.
Ahas Samvatsaro.
Aha Samvatsaro.
Vyalah.
Vyalaha.
Pratyayas. Pratyayah.
Pratyaya.
Sarvadarshanah.
Sarvadarsanaha.
So in the combination, what will happen if you are doing the entire thing together? It will become Vyalah Pratyaya Sarvadarshanah. The half visarga with a sound but before the pra, and a double sa after the Pratyaya Sarvadarshanah. Okay, again 1 to 2 words. Suresha Sharanam.
Suresha Saranam.
Sarma.
Sarma.
Vishwaretah Prajabhavah.
Vishwareta Prajabhaha.
Ahas Samvatsaro.
Aha Samvatsaro.
Vyalah Pratyayah.
Yalav Pratyayas.
Sarvadarshanah.
Sarvadarsanaha.
So the whole thing, Vyalah Pratyayah Sarvadarshanah.
Yalav Pratyayas Sarvadarsanaha.
Okay, the full sentence now. Suresha Sharanam Sharma Vishwaretah Prajabhavah.
Suresa Saranam Sarma Vishwarteja Prajabhavaha.
It is Retah Prajabhavah.
Reta. Okay.
Prajabhavah. Yep.
Prajabhavaha.
Ahas Samvatsaro Vyalah Pratyayah Sarvadarshanah.
Ahya Samvatsaro Vyalya Pratayasya Sarvadarsanaha.
Land after Samvatsaro. Ahas Samvatsaro Vyalah Pratyayah Sarvadarshanah.
Yahya Samvatsaro Vyala Pratayasya Sarvadarsanaha.
Okay, a little bit of practice and mark these sentences, and it'll be easy as you do it 2-3 times. No worries there. Okay. Aja.
Aja.
Sarveshwara.
Sarveshwara.
Siddha.
Siddha.
Siddhi.
Siddhi.
Sarvadirachyutah.
Sarvadirachyutah.
Vrishakapirameyaatma.
Vrushakapiramevatyam.
Kapirameyaatma.
Kapirameyaatma.
Sarvayoga.
Sarvayoga.
Vinisrutah.
Vinishrutaha.
One more time. Ajah Sarveshwarah.
Ajah Sarveshwara.
Siddha Siddhi.
Siddha Siddhi.
Sarvadirachyutah.
Sarvadirachyutah.
Vrishakapirameyaatma.
Vrushakapiramevatya.
Kapirameyaatma.
Kapirameyaatma.
सर्वयोगविनिःसृतः
सर्वयोगविनिश्रुतः
now the full sentences ajah sarveshwarah siddhah siddhis sarvadirachyutah. Don't have to do the continuous one, you can break wherever you need to.
Okay. Ajah sarveshwarah siddhah siddhi sarvadirachyutayah
वृषाकपिरमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिःसृतः
वृषाकपिरमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिश्रुतः.
So today I'm actually going to repeat this also, so we get acquainted with this sloka also. Just repeat after me. Yadaksharapadabrashtam
Yadaksharapadabrashtam
matrahinam tu
matrahinam tu
yadbhavet
yadbhavet
tatsarvam kshamyatam deva
क्षम्यतां देव
narayana namostute
नारायण नमोस्तुते
visargabindu
विसर्गबिन्दु
matrani
मात्राणि
padapadaksharani cha
पदपादाक्षराणि च
न्यूनाति
न्यूनाति
चातिरिक्तानि
चातिरिक्तानि
क्षमस्व
क्षमस्व
पुरुषोत्तम.
पुरुषोत्तमा.
Excellent. So now let's do the 12 slokas together. We're going to go very slow. Again, as in the flow, if you're not getting it, it is very common. Don't get discouraged. As you practice, you are going to get it. Chandrananam chaturbahum srivatsankitavakshasam rukmini satyabhamabhyam sahitam krishnamashraye. Harihi om. Vishwam vishnurvashatkaro bhuta bhavya bhavat prabhuh bhuta krudbhuta bhrudbhavo bhutatma bhuta bhavanah bhutatma paramatma cha muktanam paramagatihi avyayah purushah sakshi kshetrajñokshara eva cha yogo yogavidam neta pradhana purusheshwarah narasimhavapus sriman kesavah purushottamah sarvasarvasivasthanurбhuta dirnidhiravyayah sambhavo bhavano bharta prabhavah prabhurishwarah swayambhu shambhuradityah pushkaraksho mahaswanah anadinidhano dhata vidhata dhaturuttamah aprameyo hrishikeshah padmanabho maraprabhuh विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा स्थविष्ठस्थविरो ध्रुवः अग्राह्यः शाश्वतः कृष्णो लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्दनः प्रभूतस्त्रिककुब्धाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम् ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो
माधवो
मधुसूदनः ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमः अनुत्तमो दुराधर्ष्यः कृतज्ञः कृतिरात्मवान् सुरेशरणं कर्म विश्वरेताः प्रजाभवः अहः संवत्सरो व्याळः प्रत्ययः सर्वदर्शनः अजः सर्वेश्वरस्सिद्धः वृषाकपिरमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिस्तृतः यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनातिचातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः।